2, 3, 4, 5,000 subscribers! Thanks very much. I'm so excited today. Yo. You know, this day, and
it's here. Thank you very much, guys, for the 5,000 subscribers to Saint TV. It's all because of you. It's not because of him, it's not because of me, but it's all because of all of us, our channel, Saint TV. Thank you very much.
Vazukuru ndinodada nemi. Anditoziva kuti ndoita wekudi ndokubereka here vazukuru. Thank you very much. Bereka mwanati Johnny. Aiwa ndinodada nemi. Thank you very much vazukuru. Mukaona tichita simba rekudaiuka ndimuri kuzvikonzeresa.
All because of you. Thank you very much.
So much.
Keep on supporting. Share the channel to your friends, families. Tell them that there is a very good channel going on. Saint TV channel.
Right, in Zwaika, this is not my channel. Kana uchida unditsamwisa, a lot of people anonzotaura mumacomments kuti zoni uncle channel yenyu iri kukura. I don't want that statement. Because this is not my channel.
Oh, so our tagline is Saint TV channel yelan.
Right.
Channel yelan. Dedu tese.
Ndosamchona kuti kazhinji ukandiudza zvokuita kumacomments kuti uncle tiri kuda kuti timboita live. The following day tinobataita live.
Uncle toda kuwanana pa live pa online dating.
The following day tinobatadi so thank you very much vazukuru. Thank you so much nekundibvumira kuita the face of Saint TV. Hapana kana ungwara kwangu ipapa. There are some better vanhu vamaigona kungosarudza kuti anga ari anoita face of Saint TV, but makachuzwa inini tinonzwa kuninipiswa. Thank you very much.
Okay, getting into our story. We had a prayer yesterday, a wonderful prayer. Munamato mukuru kubva kune chibaba.
Chibaba kudaita prophet.
Yeah, so that prophet conquering.
Because in Zwaika vazunguruka chiterera ika azvigone kumunetsa kuita nonzi prophet.
Agara ane following.
Also prayer yakarova ka. Ndakatsoona kuti munhu ane direction.
Sure. For all of you, vaiti anzani, sorry ndakuti uncle, vaiti chibaba chakupenga. I don't think anopenga prayer yakadaro aitwe nemunhu anopenga. Because it was a heartfelt prayer to his friend. Okay, he was his rival before.
Yes.
Vakambotukana, vakambonyombana, they sang masong asingaite vakatombokonzeresa bongozozo ku City Sports Center.
Right, uchiruzwa song yekunzi
ndakamukwapadza Calaz anamba nguva yekubatadza. Aiwa.
Calaz akazopindura chiti akapindura
Calaz akatozombonyimbawo zvekuti hauna mwana chichichi. The songs got even personal. But it was for entertainment and we were entertained nevertheless. But now these two are kind of in the same situation because last year we had Soldier Love also akasiwa nemukadzi. And then this year, not this year, this few days ago, mwake vasiwo nemukadzi moira. So now he was giving a prayer kunamatira kuna Mwari kuti Mwari vanyaradze mwake tawanda because iye akamboenda through the same.
Right, I'm forced to speak in English because he's supposed to be speaking in English. So after what happened, what happened to Tawanda and the Calaz, I think we saw Soldier Love praying, and part of his prayer, in fact, some of the words he said in the prayer. Yeah. No, you can. Some of the words in the prayer. What did he say? Okay, now I will speak in English. You interpret and show. Please. Some of the words he said in the prayer. What were the words? Alright, yeah. Mamumwe mashoko aitaura. Aiti Mwari honai tese togarere tisina vakadzi. Inini ndindakadi kurati zoni atoda kuti zvakaitika kwaari Jalava zviitike kuna Tawanda.
even vanga vakambovengana
yes kwaya uri kupindwa nekona right sa ndopatiri kureva kuti aini muzukuru imi ameno ndoita sei naye muzukuru akadai ndodii chaizvo
what uncle is trying to say is we should not live in the past.
Yes.
Even if we were enemies before, we hated each other, maybe we were sworn enemies, we crossed never to talk to each other. We should never stay in the past because life changes. You never know where we'll go tomorrow.
Yes. So ndo trip apo kachidzidzo chikuru wazokuruka, learn to forgive and forget. Toita move on and just learn to just have a heart which forgives. And
we all have hearts, but make sure that your heart forgives also. Forgives, forget, because in life you never know who you will need to help you in a certain moment. As we have seen now, Soldier Love, who was an enemy of Calaz, has come with a prayer, and you never know how much that prayer can help him. It might help him, it might comfort him, it might help bring his wife back. They might get together and then discuss, talk about all the issues, they iron out their differences, and then they get back together. So in life, always forgive.
Usaite my enemies wototi ava vatakaremerana muganu usarimirane muganu muzukuru nevanhu. Don't listen at that nayo. Once again, I just want to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. Much love.